Oh, mwah, mwah, mwah. Honey, I am so excited. Wait till you see what I've done with your room.
Wait, what? Mom, what did you do to my room?
This is my new Stellaire machine. It's all the rage, honey. You haven't heard of it? Sweetheart, I even have an app. I can precisely embroider designs on almost anything. Okay, baby, here we go. High five. Nice.
When did you have the time to learn this, Mom, and change the room?
Well, the machine taught me on its built-in how-to videos. I mean, I could binge watch them all night long.
You binge watch videos?
I binge watch. Bright screen, it's amazing. And it has lasers. Isn't that awesome? Look at the pillow.
Oh, there's a space between the hashtag and...
Oh, no, that's not a hashtag, sweetie. It's a pound sign.
Mom, I promise you
Isn't
it's a
it great,
hashtag.
though? Wait, the best part. I took that work of art that you made me in the first grade, and I turned it into this really cool wall hanging. Look.
Mom, that's awesome.
Yeah, no, honey, don't touch that. Don't touch it. You can actually buy one on my online store.
You're selling my art on an online store?
Yes, I am.
Do I get a cut?
No.
Hey, honey.
Grandpa. Dad!
I embroidered that.
Did you see Mom's new laser machine?
Sure did.
Anyway, honey, I need the space. So if you wouldn't mind taking the rest of your things.
Oh, okay. Oh, this isn't mine.
I made it for the next baby.
This is really cool, Mom. Maybe you can show me how to make something later.
Thanks, honey.
Love you.